Little and large, last two standing. Everyone's gone home and the wind's come up. Still, they're lost sour again, nice and quiet. Ooh, that little one's giving me a challenge, I think. Don't know what the size is, probably 6 inches maybe. Tiny little yacht. Yes, excuse my transmitter. It's working fine, just doesn't. The receiver doesn't do the telemetry that the bigger stuff does. Yeah, tiny little thing. Sits in the palm of your hand, that. Oh, I hope it doesn't puncture. Patch again. Race on. Race on, here we go. Full steam ahead. Oh, that's the advantage, is it? And then there was no wind. Right, the chase is on again. Oh, yeah. Unfair advantage.